So, what do you think are the 5 most useful signs for becoming a great mother?
Well, let's see. Warning, screaming baby ahead. Earplugs recommended. That's the first one.
Okay, what's the second one?
Beware, sleep-deprived adult on duty. Please be patient and understanding.
That's so true. What's the third sign?
Please wash hands before touching the baby. We don't want any germs to spread.
Ah, yes. That's very important.
And the fourth sign would have to be danger, diaper change in progress. Enter at your own risk.
Oh my god, that's hilarious. What's the last one?
Caution, toddler tantrum zone. Proceed with caution and chocolate on hand.
You are hilarious.